In this video, we'll show you how to de-initialize a hard drive in Windows. For demonstration, I'll initialize a disk and then create a new partition. If you want to re-initialize the disk, here's how. As you can see, the disk management tool doesn't provide an option to do this. First, open PowerShell or Terminal as administrator. Launch the DiskPart tool by typing DiskPart and pressing Enter. Get a list of connected disks by typing List Disk and pressing Enter. Next, select the disk you want to de-initialize by using the command Select Disk Number. Replace Number with the actual disk number from the list. I must warn you that the next step will erase all data on the disk. If you plan to use the data, ensure you create a backup first. Now, clean the disk by typing Clean and pressing Enter. As you can see, the Initialize disk option is now available again in the Disk Management tool, allowing you to repeat the initialization process. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.